This is my stock portfolio on E-Trade, and this is my growth portfolio. That's what I share with my tribe members. And as you can see, the QQs are up 1.1%. The Dow is up 0.6, and my portfolio is almost up 3%. So I have a more aggressive than the QQQs, and I get better returns. As you can see, I'm up $25,000 today on a $873,000 portfolio. What I really want to show you is the performance, and this is month to date. And as you can see, I'm up $111,000. So that means $111,000 on something of a $790,000 portfolio. That's in excess of 15% in 1 month. As you can see, my biggest gainer is Micron, then Iron, and then CRDO, Applied Digital. My biggest loser is ALVO, followed by Google. I'm not going to get rid of either one of them. Tesla is then there. So this is how I manage my portfolio, and I'm hitting the ball out of the park because I'm using artificial intelligence to tell me what to buy, what price to buy it at, when to sell, and when to hold. So $25,000 in one day, that's not a bad day's work.